Now, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all around the world. My name is Maurice Safa, popularly known as Tulu Gundu Sabra. Dana the APC election fraud alert. APC runoff election fraud alert. Una dey on the alert for APC. Una dey on the alert because we don't hear plenty things them where APC they can't try for do pan the runoff where they go try for thief the election yaso. And we know for say they get comrades in crime by the name of where me they call the Never Ethical or Credible commissioners. The NEC commissioners, Never Ethical or Credible commissioners. Now then are the bodies of APC we don't already try for give the election, this election also to APC because we all know for say they know they win. NEC they always give them the election. So this one also they're ready for do that. In fact they been try that, now that makes sense we go pan this runoff here so because NEC, the Never Ethical or Credible Commission, then they make sure for say they push this election also into a runoff. So would I watch the people them? Would I watch? Not to joke this. SNPP, let we dey on maximum alert, on maximum high alert of APC, then election fraud escapades there. They ready? And we don't hear plenty things there now where then they try for do this time year so pan the runoff. For all three segments of an election, they're ready for do things there. So, because of that, let we dey on the alert. Make SLPP agents that they on alert. Make SLPP people them wey involve in this election yeah, so physically, make them dey on the alert. Because APC not they sleep like how they always say. Una, if you get for sleep, sleep with one eye open, the other one they watch APC. Alright? So, three things then where they go through an election process. Then are the voting, the counting, and the announcement. And so, now then three things then where they give suggestions to we agents then other people them where directly involved in the process for make them watch APC. Because we dey on red high alert. Okay, let me talk about the voting day. The voting day, would I hear say, they say policemen them, they're ready for camp to the southeast, especially in western area, to some of their places then they, for make them vote for APC. Then they come as policemen because they say, policemen they get right for vote any side. I don't know about that law do, but if the law they will qualify them for make them vote any side in this country also, then we still get for check them out. Make sure for say then in fact get the right for vote anyway. How you gonna know whether person like a policeman where they come from other side for can't vote that you area? How you be able for know? Language, the talk, the way where the person they talk. I think when they hear me Creole, when they talk, me they call them Mende Creole. All they say, all they hear. I know say, Kisi man they talk Kisi Creole, Kono man they talk Kono Creole, Timi man they talk Timi Creole. We know the accents then they. So that accent there you get for check the man out, for know whether the person is a local person or not. Now for policemen then, if they come, they say they're supposed to do. Now for find out whether or not which side they work, they do police work. Now in that area, if not in that area, then they're not supposed they're not for vote day. They're not for vote day. because all the other qualities them, registration and this and that, although they say then the government people, I don't know about that law day. But would have to check them out. Language. Make would have find out for say, if people they can, they say, oh, we they, like I saw, they go na Kenema, they say, oh, now from Kailan I come out. When I ask them, when I talk to them, inside Kailan languages, like a Mende or Kisi. Or if they go na Kailan and they say, oh, then a police from Kenema, would have talk Mende to them, would have go see whether or not they're able to talk them. But the other part of the language where we for check is the Creole. Me Creole mende, you know for say, me not to free to a born or not to their race, you know, me not to a good Creole talker. That's all right, as long as you understand what they talk, it's good. You understand that? So when motorman come, policeman come, he say, now from from Kailan or so he go to Kenema, would I listen to in Creole if he talk inside Creole? Would I forget the English? Would I talk to them at the local language, either Creole or the local tribal language? Alright? If this person here so talk perfect Creole, like if they pronounce them Creole R's them, you know, Creole they pronounce R differently. Would I know? Like bougade, okay, for bread. Alright? Broadcast for broadcast. Me as Mede Creole talker, I they say broadcast. But pure free talk Creole person, whether you not Creole person or you men or born a free talk, then they talk, then they go talk say broadcast. Okay, me not sabi talk that way. But now the way that for know whether or not this person also now free talk come out because they say APC ready for sending talks them. Okay, some policemen them from other areas for Canada the southeast for do overvoting day, for do ballot stuff in there so that voting go happen and then they go cancel the ballots there for the southeast. The policemen then when they go around, like a few policemen they go because then a policeman they get a police vehicle that in a day, then go to many different towns and villages that same day for vote. Una get for check them out. Unless them then a police, una ask them why they come for vote in that place day. Then they give una get all the information together and una check out for them. And una find out for say, una take the picture of them. Okay? Una take the picture of them so that if they come at one town and they can't vote there, and then they come out, go to the other town, then take the picture, then they, if we compare them pictures then from 1, 2, 3 policemen, then we don't go to 1, 2, 3 towns there, we are going to for say they don't vote multiple times. We go illegal even for the president. The president get one vote and one place number if a vote all over that country that day. So if one person, I don't care whether you be, they vote more than one and they vote with more than one ballot, illegal. So that's the way for find out on the voting day whether they qualify for vote. Now, the other thing where for qualify for or before check, always check their pocket. Una check anybody whether a policeman or una charge them. Unless that policeman, if you get gun, tell him make him pull the gun and put it down, and then una charge in pocket. Una make sure for say you not get multiple ballots then. Because once you go inside that booth today, he go fill out one ballot too. But when you don't go inside the booth, he pull the other ballots the way in his pocket and dump them inside the box. Alright? Now the way that the other way for no whether na illegal person or something like that. Now for ask them about local information, like local towns that where they around it, where they around, we said they come. Because if they go to one village or na one town, they go vote there, and then they come out, go inside the truck, and they go to the other place, it's very possible for say they're not going to know the other towns them or other features them, like the town chief or the chiefdom chief. Ask them that kind of questions then they. make dem tell una. If they're able, fine. If they pass, then they vote. Okay? But the thing we are don't talk, now all the process for avoid this ballot stuffing na the southeast. When now APC ready for do. Now that now the Abopam for ballot stuff, we own stations there, now the southeast. So now get for check them. Okay? Pan the language. Policeman self, pan in language. Alright? But me, I go tell you for say, anytime you see policeman wey come to your own area, wey ready for vote, and then he tell you for say, oh, well, I come up from other town. That one dey not to illegal policeman for vote. Now a ballot stuffing policeman. Now ballot stuffer. That policeman dey. Una don't allow one. Alright? Una don't allow one. So that the thing that on voting day, where we go eliminate at least some of them problems there. The last thing where we go there, talk about the voting day, now the early voters there. Anybody will come very early, una they watch them. Una watch them closely. Like the first 2 hours, if the voting begin, let's say 7 o'clock, up to maybe 9 o'clock, and una they watch closely. Now after that time day, if somebody else can't say he can't for vote, and then when I find out for say that in ballot they don't already use or he don't already vote, when I go take notice of that person there, and if we are able to analyze and compare them with somebody else who don't can vote, we are able to know. I mean, here say that be happen a few times that we say that they catch people them who don't already vote and then they come back for vote, or they can't overvote for people them when are legitimate voters and then do the overvoting. Okay? So, then are the things then, check the person in pocket, make sure for check them in an early voter, check them by the language where they talk, the kind of a Creole way they talk. If that Creole they perfect, then they're a free time person. Very possibly sometimes. Now one of them APC talks then, and then APC Rariban the way APC don't hire for make them can't overvote. Pan we. So that are the voting day. That are the voting day. The second thing now, that are the counting day, the day where they count. On the counting day, now for watch for bad ballots then. Because, in fact, in that case, now for actually watch for bad ballots then before the voting take place. Because once they don't vote now, the only if the bad ballots they vote pan, they go end up for just councillor. So, even before the counting, before you check whether na a good ballot for count, now for check, make sure for saying na a good ballot for vote. When that they don't do, then you go count. Alright? If they're bad ballot, of course they go councillor. Alright. The other thing about the counting day, now for make sure for say SNPP and APC and the net person where they either count or where they do the data entry. Make sure for say we una always dey around this person here so. Una not take. Make sure for say you know if you can't drink water that day, so that you know get for go to bathroom and then you left them there. APC na thief man then, na voter thief man then. Now that no more than good for. They know they win elections. Then they thief elections. So we not give them the chance. We not give them the chance at all. Because that no more done left for make them crown Maada Bio as president. That is, that the thief man, voter thief in business. Now him. We not give them the chance. We not left them 1 minute. Then with the net people them. Okay? Where they call them Yuki commissioners. We will not allow Yuki commissioners make them do any of the county jobs or the data entry jobs when we are not there around them. We are for there around them every second. Alright? And when the data entry person they do, una look the paper where they do the data entry from, and then una also look at the data where you don't enter. Make sure for say now the same thing where they pan the paper. APC then in right, SLPP then in left. Una will watch over them. All right, we will not allow them for make them do it by themselves, because they already destroyed that credibility there for them. Because when in the first round where they began man, where they change the ballots, the votes them, they increase for APC and decrease for SLPP. So they're not credible again. No reason not there again for make una allow them for make them do it by themselves. No. Okay. So then the point about the counting day. We don't make the neck people them for make them day alone with the counting or with the data entry. All right. Now, what if una get for left for the day for go home? They're not done for count, but una get for go home. Una sleep inside the station, inside the center. Una sleep there, una there around the box, because NEC and APC, they don't join together for thief this election also. And NEC buildings them, una dey whether na the center or na Freetop, na NEC them buildings. They get plenty keys to the building. They get plenty access to the building. Una go dey comot that day when one man don tire, you say let we go home, let we come back tomorrow. Then they turn around, then they come enter inside the building, and then overnight, then the ballots then they get tires there for run from one box to the other. All right, una not left on any night. Una not come out of that building day. Me SLPP agent day 24 hours a day. Una they look over them. And then they call insecurity shoulder softening. Una shoulder soft them. Una watch over them. But una not come out near them. Una not allow them for be together. For be alone. If they're ready for go to the bathroom, let them go. But you not go to the bathroom unless you get another agent. That make, I hope say we always get at least 2 agents there around. I don't say that one kid there inside. Let another one there on the side, on the outside. When one ready for go take a break or anything, the other one for the first. All right. Now for double check with them people there on the counting. All right. Just like I was saying, overnight we not left that building there. We not did it. Now, you know, say before they begin for count, na NEC, no, they go don't count na the polling stations there. Even at that point that we're down there, I think that that's what they do. We wanna make sure they count, and all my get the information we wanna like how they do. When you don't get that information there, when they count to the polling center, when they do the data entry of those polling stations, we wanna make sure for say waiting the tally been there for the polling stations na inside the computer na the polling centers. We wanna make sure for that. We wanna check. All right, we wanna check. We wanna check and double check them people there, so that one reason why we wanna for check and double check. Now for make sure for say, let them not ask for rerun. Because that be that rerun, the last thing where they be thief them ballots then. Where the ballots then they get food for worker from one box to the other. Now being during that rerun, where they allow, and I don't for say now because people that they left them overnight with the boxes, then deep to say all man don't go home. No. Then they store it and they turn around and come right back into the building and then do the changes. As they do the changes, now they ask for rerun. We are not come out near the boxes. We are not left that building there. We are dead. The counting, we are not allowed for rerun. Now that make we have for check, double check, even triple check before we are finished with any one polling station. Because after that, not tell me where I know for say all man don't double and triple check APC agent to SLPP agent to and the next man whatever. No need no day for them rerun. Alright? So as far as the counting concerned, now the thing that we for be vigilant about. Alright? Make sure for say we always stay around that ballot day, that ballot boxes. Make sure for say you always stay around the net person where they do the data entry. We do not allow them make them do it by themselves no more. No, because we already don't see what they don't do with that. Alright. Then we come to the third person when at the announcement. Now upon that announcement again, when they be tifui. Then Yuki Commissioner Conte, anybody or any people there. And of course, the famous Miata French. The actually infamous Miata French, the notorious Miata French. You know, that girl there, na smart girl, because the other one, the man, maybe not be smart enough that make them catch him. Nobody not catch Miata French. Oh. Very smart woman. Una not pull una eye pan am. Una not pull una eye pan Miata French at all. Me they call her Miata Fraudster French. That's why they call her. You understand there? Na middle name na name no more agiamo. Alright? Not a character business. You know, like how they call man. Yeah. Like how they call King Coromes. And Escoroman. Now King Coromes because APC then give kingship power for making the chairman for life. So name no more the name of Miata French. Hey! They say that he be powerful self for change votes them. Pass that brown with the cage. Hey God, APC. When I not sabi win, when I just sabi for thief, elections, anyhow be people them. So that the thing that we are not allow net people them, then comrades in crime with APC, then they try, and we all know not to just the first time President's Day, we for sure for say, now then they give the government to APC. APC not the winner. So they don't give them the opportunity again this time. Now, I talk about the announcement. Yuki Commissioner Conte. How long it take for make the announcement of the first round? How long? Over 2 days. The first day, it changed from 4 o'clock salon time. Actually, they don't talk say they can't announce, now they give the time now. 4 o'clock salon time. Nothing. Now we hear say 7 o'clock salon time. Nothing. Waiting Yuki Commissioner Conte been they do. Why make the announcement? When they be done the talk say everything ready. Because I feel to say your Yuki Commissioner Conte and the Yuki commissioners been they buy time for make APC then change the votes there. They been they buy time. So now that make I suggest this. First of all, we don't know how it be the buy time, right? When they don't count. When they don't take 2 days, it come with 25%. He said that 25% it don't count. After almost 2 days, then he wait again. They count. 50%. another day or so. Okay? Then take time again. Count. 75%. Or then time them in the buy for do the crooked things then. Remember say that in that time day now where there be the do the ballot stuffing at the southeast. There be the make the ballots them bad for the southeast and then cancel them. We not be know that until the day where Yuki Commissioner Conte be announced the result. We not be know for say even bad ballot be done at the southeast or ballot stuffing be done at the southeast. By that time, they don't talk say the Madabio and SRPP don't win by 56.3%. Now that no more be done at the world for almost 2 days. But I mean that same time when Yuki Commissioner Conte, they change the time where go announce. Would I see the connection, eh? So by the time we announce, the data don't change. For 2 days, we they talk say SRPP don't win by 56. I hear say even Yuki Commissioner Conte be congratulate Mada and SRPP. That's why I hear it. And I think to say we all don't hear that. Around that time where he go don't do that, now he be there in charge of the counting. If you don't know, if you not be know why he congratulate Mada. I even hear he say around that time then now, people they don't begin they ready with their black ties them, you know. When they go for go you know, declare Mada. That's what they be saying. Then that make Yuki Commissioner Conte, he changed the time. I mean the day to the next day. You see, all that time they wait Yuki Commissioner Conte they buy. Now people their sensitivity they bring down. When you sensitive for where the date, where the count, you don't read the count, whether they say win, and this and that, you know, you they do that till you tire. Then you begin for say, boy, you don't read the count, they don't count and it. That time your sensitivity don't go down. Yuki Commissioner Conte and Yuki Commissioners, they don't knock your spirit down. Now that the counting they do, I mean the announcement they do, then they buy time. Now, the other thing where they talk about the announcement, 25%, it takes 2 days. 50%, another day. 75%, another day. Then they begin for talk down 100%, where they be say 50 Mada don't win by 56.3%. By the 100th percentile. Why it get for take so long? For count 25%. And why it get for take so long for announcer? So let me suggest on this. SRPP would not allow Yuki Commissioner Conte and Yuki Commissioners then for make them count today and then announce tomorrow. No. When they count today, let them announce the count where they don't count before they left for the day. Let them announce them. In other words, let them do it on a daily basis rather than on a percentage basis. Then they know what's in at the count. Why they don't go talk them that same day? If they don't count 25%, let we know that same day. And then if the next day they count up to 50%, let we know that same day. But let them not wait 2 days before they announce about the 25%. Or another 2 days before they announce the 50%. No, daily basis. On a daily basis, let them count and announce. All right? Another thing we are going to talk about the announcement. When they announce, let them tell the whole world whether the polling station counts them when they don't count inside the center or inside this net computer. If they be tally equal, if the polling station count, in other words, let me say they count a special polling station at Kenema. That polling station they been report say now 257 people they vote. If they can input that information they into the net computer now na the center, if for sure for say that polling station at Kenema been get 257 votes. If for sure that and therefore announce that day. All the polling stations then when they go do the data entry, let them read them all. We'll get time. We'll get time for wait and listen. After all, then they pay them. If they go stretch the time early enough for me them do all of that before the day off. Before they go off. In other words, if they know for say they don't do let's say 500 polling stations there, and they get for announce 500, let them tell we. Let them take, if they get for stop for count, let's say 3 o'clock, so that they go use 1 or 2 hours for just announce, make them do that the same day. We don't allow them for make them do it the next day. Now they been they take, because if it look like say why they be they postpone them, so they're not able for do what the UQ what they want for do at this moment. So then they buy time. Like I saw if Nanette, when all man don't go, then they go do that, they go change, and then tomorrow when they come out, they announce. What did they announce? Now the one where they don't do the UQ with. No. Make them announce whatever account. If not 5% that day, make them tell the whole world. Now that I feel to say go able so that we go able for make sure for say APC and NEC they not go thief this election here again from MADA and SLPP. Okay? So let we read the daily percentage. Let we know whether or not the polling station count equal to what they don't input, and let them announce them the same day. That's all. If that happen, all the suggestions also, or the other of I know say the professionals with it on top, they know. But if we take all the measures, then APC they go find difficult for work with NEC for thief this election also. Thank you. Stay tuned. I will bring you some more information on this runoff as I get there. Thank you.